experience that I did not do it the way I have to do, or this is not my true character. I could have handled this in a better way. Yes, let's talk about that in detail. This is Mani, and I help people to understand their emotions and how they can really get better at handling things. So, talking about this particular case in detail, it often happens that during our life situations that we get angry at somebody, or we feel bad for someone, or we react in a different way which is not real true self of our character. And what happens later, once we are out from that experience, we feel bad, or we feel that this is not how I should have done it, or I could have handled it in a better way, and there is something I didn't like about what I did. So many of them have felt it, and when I speak to people, I realize that they feel regret for what they have done, but what is over, you cannot change that. However, for the upcoming situations or for the next moment that you are going to live, you can definitely handle it. So that's why I say emotions are learnable. Yes, like every other skill that we have learned in school, colleges, and during our formal education, emotions too are learnable. But the only thing is we are not taught about it. We have just been living with our own emotions, the way it comes, but then not knowing how to manage our anger, anxiety, stress, depression, maybe whatever it is. Every feeling can be controlled once it is learned. And there are different ways to learn it, which I'll be talking in a couple of my videos coming along. But at this point, I want to share that please get it right that we can learn these emotions. And what happens when we learn? Once we learn, we have the control over it. Like similar like our own formal education. Let's say some subject or something which we are not aware of. When we learn it, we become knowledgeable about it, and then we are able to answer and we are confident about that particular subject or that particular thought. So in the similar way, once you learn emotions, you can also get confident. You can get going with whatever way. You have a control over it. It doesn't mean that emotions don't occur. We are human beings and we are emotional beings, but we know the ways to manage it. There are different tools and techniques which a lot of people have put in place, like some lot of researchers. There has been studies that have been going on, and then ideas have been brought in as to how we can really control these things. So definitely it is learnable, and be confident. Keep watching my videos and you will come to know how are different ways, different things that we can learn about emotions. We can understand our emotions. And follow me and do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and you will get to know more. Thank you. Thanks for watching.